Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. From the last class, we know about how the king was trying to get answers for his questions from the hermit. So, children, now we are in the last part, means we are in the conclusion part of the lesson. Now, the king was happy that he had made peace with his enemy. He forgave the man and promised to give back his property and money to him. So now the king went up to the hermit. He again asked for answers to his three questions. The hermit explained that you have already answered it, king. You have already answered it. So the king was very surprised. Then he asked to hermit, I have been answered. What do you mean? Tell me everything in detail. So now then hermit explained that by digging the beds for him, the king had escaped attack. So the king helped to hermit. So that help was escaped from his enemy attack. So the most important time when he was digging the beds. Hermit said that the most important time when he was digging the beds. The hermit himself was the most important person to the king on that time. So hermit said that himself hermit was the most important person to the king on that time. So to do good was the king most important business. To do good at the right time was the most important business for the king. The king doing hermit was the most important business. So the hermit further told the king that most important person him for the person with him at a particular time. So wherever the king had a particular person, he is a most important person for that time. So children, so answer for the last question is hermit further told that the king had the most important person for him was the most important person at a particular moment. So yesterday king was dressed the wounded man. So yesterday king was dressed the wounded man. That is the most important work for that time. So being take care of others is an important work for that time. So the most important business was the help to the other person at the right time. So important business was the king helping a person at a particular time. And the most important time was now, that is the present moment. So here the most important business to do the person good, because we were sent in this world for that purpose alone. So we should not have selfish mind. We help others with a good kinded heart. So this is the lesson of your day. So in the next class I will send you notes. You have to write the page number 13 in your homework book, the lesson. Okay, thank you.